what do you want to do first then?
Well, I've got to do the boarding and get everything sorted like that. Get the walls done, get the rest of it done in the bathroom.
You've got everything here?
Yeah, hopefully.
So, Monday, you saw us give you a tour of this house at Chateau where we're working at the moment. Today, it's about cracking on with the work and seeing what can we get done in 1 week. Come with us.
That's my connections done. Watch out. Right.
Oh, looking good. You finished.
I'm finished in here, yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
That's really good. Right, my job's all done. Walls all finished. I'm going to shut off home. Is that all right?
Well, actually, I think there's some tape and jointing to be done. So could we do that in the bedroom and the cupboard?
Tape and joint?
Yeah, because they asked if you wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
And,
All right.
Yeah.
While I'm here, I might as well.
Well, you know, we got enough stuff. You might as well give if you can do it. That'd be blinding.
All right.
Just saves time, doesn't it? Yeah.
Crack on.
All right then.
Should we have a bit of lunch first?
Yeah, that'd be nice. I'll take these out. Oh, I just about to get down. You always come with the most inopportune moment, you really do. I can't believe it. Every time I'm just finishing a job or just, you know, something's gone terribly wrong, you're there with that camera. So nice, isn't it? Yeah.
You love it, baby.
Did you used to work for Candid Camera? Was that what it was? Or was it Beadles About or some dreadful bloody 70s, 80s, 90s
Smile, you're on Candy Camera.
Yeah, Smile, you're on Candid Camera. You know, I remember watching them shows, and I remember the one where they, the bloke was having some work done on his house, and they got like a tipper lorry, and he parked his car out. I don't know if it was his house or the next door neighbours, but they got a tipper lorry or something like that, and just dumped all the concrete on his car.
No.
Just literally just dumped it on his car as he was coming out to get in it or something like that. And I've just, and you know, obviously it nearly went terribly wrong because he just lost his.
So had they put a fake car? Because I remember those.
Yeah, they did exactly the same. You know, they got exactly the same car and everything like that.
Sort
and they put it there,
place,
and it was the dumper truck, or it was a, I don't know if it was a dumper truck or it was a digger, you know, mini pel or something like that, and it just like, or his bucket came down and just went straight through his car as he was walking out to get in it. and you know, I remember.
I used to really like them ones.
Yeah, I really just properly, guffawing with laughter and thinking, what would it be like if it was you? You'd just, you know, I know we wouldn't care because, you know, like it's cars, but you know, anything that you cared about. Yeah. Right. Well, I'm just putting these beams in here.
Yeah.
Just so I can plasterboard the top. But obviously, there's only these to attach it to, so I had no end pieces in because I was going to do another thing. But plasterboard doesn't like to be unsupported. Let's face it. You know, like it.
So you're putting a wood on the top and your plasterboard on the bottom.
Plasterboard tends to be a bit of a snowflake. It needs lots of support.
Snowflake.
otherwise it gets all upset, and you know, then you have to pay loads of money for therapy and stuff like that. And you know, but whereas if you just put lots of support in place before you engage with the plasterboard and where it's supposed to be, it feels loved.
Yeah. We all love to feel loved.
So can I get on now?
You can get on now.
Thanks very much. I tell you what, these clamps, I don't know how I'd survived without them.
They're good.
They're so good, I might have to get, like, when I've had the wherewithal, I might have to just get a load of them, because, you know, they're not very big, but they're just so handy. I know, I've got.
Can I just ask?
But they're big ones.
After 5 years of being with us, does everybody know what wherewithal means now when Ted says it? Don't answer it. Yeah. Well, I never heard anybody say the wherewithal until I met you.
Yeah, but you'd never heard anybody say, "I'll go to the foot of our stairs," had you?
No. Okay, that's another thing. What does "I'll go to the foot of my stairs" mean?
And the other one that I love, and it's my daddy's birthday today. My dad would have been 120 today.
Yeah.
He was born in 1905, and it's on March the 5th, and it's March the 5th today. Sorry to, I know we do this, that, and the other, but this is boo for the outtakes anyway. And I just wanted to say, he had the best saying: "It can't fall, there's nothing to stop it."
What does that mean?
Work that one out. And the funny thing is, if my dear friend Steve, when I first said it, I think Steve actually said the first part, the second part. I said it can't fall, and Steve said there's nothing to stop it, and he'd heard it before. And he's the only person in the world I'd ever had known it before me.
A friendship that was meant to be.
Oh, it's lovely, isn't it? It's lovely. It's lovely. A proper bromance, as they call it. Right, let's get on, otherwise we'll never get out of here.
How you getting on, baby? Are you finishing up for the day?
Yeah, I'm all done. I'm out of glue, so that's it.
Yep, here we go. Not bad for a week's work, eh? Just say a huge thank you to Sally Woodcock.
And Curly Whirly Shirley, thank you so much.
If you want to buy us a coffee, the link is in the description. We'll see you all again next week when we're rolling out the red carpet because we've got a special guest arriving.
Thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next week.
Take care, everyone. See you soon.
Bye now.
Right, homework round, baby. Bit of cleaning up first.